The value of Lobby Week is not just going to the House and the Senate and talking to lawmakers. We went to US Fish and Wildlife, as you already know, and the quality that we got talking to the US Fish and Wildlife for nearly 4 hours is more than enough for me to say that if we only accomplish that, we have achieved a lot. But more than that, we had all the board meetings, we had to sit into different departments of SCI, and we represented our members with the convention conference. We had answer and question time, and we could talk about donations, the value of donations, creating a new narrative to grow our industry, to be a better exhibitor, cut-off dates for donations, cut-off dates for booking your booth. We have lots of other stuff that we have discussed that we represented our members. This week, all in all, was a win for FASA, and I can tell you now, we can just do better by coming here more frequently and attending these meetings every year, annually, and also maybe consider bringing more FASA members to represent South Africa and Africa at all these different places. To reach 200 lawmakers in one day is unheard of, and that is what we achieved this week.